Hello students, very good morning to all. See today's problem. From the following transactions, prepare sales return book of Messrs. Dwivedi and Company, Calcutta, West Bengal, assuming CGST at 9% and SGST at 9% and post it into the ledger. Okay. So see the problem. It is 2018 June 3rd. Goods returned by Sitaram, Calcutta, rupees 80,000. These goods were sold to him at 15% discount. 12th June. Defective goods returned by Hind Oil Company, Hyderabad, Telangana for rupees 30,000. 26th June. Allowances claimed by Gujarat Gas Company, Hyderabad, Telangana on account of mistake in invoice rupees 20,000. So all these entries we have to record in sales return book. ओके. या प्रॉब्लेममध्ये गुड्सची काही डिटेल्स दिलेली नाही आहेत. डिटेल्स दिलेली असली तरी कसं सोडवायचं आपल्याला माहिती आहे. नाव फर्स्ट वी विल प्रिपेअर सेल्स रिटर्न बुक अँड देन वी विल प्रिपेअर लेजर अकाउंट्स. ओके. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट. So let's prepare sales return book of Dwivedi and Company. This is sales return book. Date, particulars, that is name of the customer whose account is to be credited, credit note number, LF, details for calculation, sales return, original amount, output CGST, output SGST, output IGST and total amount. Okay. In this way we have to prepare all the columns. Now see the problem. First entry is of June 3rd. Goods were returned by Sitaram. Sitaram is the company's name. It is our customer and he has returned the goods. Okay. So first entry 2018 June 3rd. Sitaram Kolkata. Amount is rupees 80,000. So in details we will write 80,000 rupees. Now there is a trade discount at 15%. So less trade discount at 15%. 15% of 80,000. So it is 12,000. We will deduct trade discount from 80,000. The answer is 68,000. And now we have to add CGST at 9% and SGST at 9%. Okay. So add. (9% of this amount, 1% will be 680 into 9. So it will be 6120. So we will add these taxes. $80,240. Out of 80,240, original amount is 68,000 of sales return. Okay. Output CGST 6120, SGST 6120. No IGST because it is not the transaction between two states. So dash, and total amount is 80,240. Okay. Now next transaction. See the next transaction. In next transaction they told us that defective goods returned by Hind Oil Company, Hyderabad, Telangana for rupees 30,000. So the customer's name is Hind Oil Company, Hyderabad, and this is the transaction between two different states. So here output IGST will apply. June 12th. Hind Oil Company, Hyderabad. Okay, amount of return is 30,000, so 30,000. Now in this transaction, see, there is no trade discount, so that directly we will add in output IGST here. Okay, so add. ट्रेड डिस्काउंट वजा करायचा नाही आहे, कारण ट्रेड डिस्काउंट सांगितलेला नाही आहे, त्यामुळे आपल्याला टॅक्स ॲड करायचा आहे. अँड सो वी विल ॲड IGST ॲट 18%, that is 9% and 9%, total 18%. Okay, so 18% of this, so it is 5,400. We will add it in 30,000, so it is 35,400. Original amount is 30,000. 30,000. No output CGST, no output SGST. Directly output IGST is 5,400. So total amount is 35,400. Okay. So this is the second transaction of this sales return book. Now next entry. See, the next entry is of Gujarat Gas Company, and they have claimed allowance due to mistake in invoice of ₹20,000. याचा अर्थ असा होतो की गुजरात गॅस कंपनीशी जो सेल झाला होता त्याच्या इन्व्हॉइसमध्ये ₹20,000ची मिस्टेक आहे. सो दे वॉन्ट टू ॲडजस्ट दॅट अमाऊंट. सो विल शो दॅट they have returned the goods, and we will adjust that amount by showing it as sales return. Okay, so June 26th, Gujarat Gas Company, again Hyderabad, amount 20,000, and as it is interstate transaction, add IGST at 18% again. So 18% of 20,000, it is 3,600. So we will add it. It is 23,600. Out of that, sales return 20,000. No output CGST, output SGST. There will be output IGST worth ₹3,600. So in this way, total amount is 23,600. Understood? And now we'll add all these items. On last day of June, that is June 30, total of this column 1,18,000. This column 6120. This total is 9,000, and this total 139,240, 1,39,240. Okay, so in this way we have to prepare sales return book. We have prepared here sales return book yesterday. See here. Okay, so in this way here we will prepare sales return book. Instead of total, you can write here sales return account to be, just like here, account to be debited. Okay, otherwise you can also write only total. Now we will prepare ledger accounts from this problem. See, there are three parties: Sitaram, second is Hind Oil, and third is Gujarat Gas Company. So we have to prepare three accounts for these parties. Then we have to draw sales return account. Then we have to draw output CGST account, output SGST account, output IGST account. Okay, so let's post these transactions into ledger now. Here are the ledger accounts I have prepared. Sitaram's account, Hind Oil Company's account, Gujarat Gas Company's account, sales return account, output CGST account, output SGST account, output IGST account. Okay. Now, see, in the previous video, in this problem, I have explained you that entry will be consolidated entry of all parties will be on debit side of sales return account. Two sundries as per sales return book, and in these sundries there will be all parties involved. Okay. Similarly, in this problem also, debit side of sales return account, we have to write two sundries as per sales return book on last day of June. So June 30, two sundries as per sales return book, and total amount here, see the total amount, it is 1,18,000. Okay, so 1,18,000. अंडरस्टूड. याचाच अर्थ असा आहे की एंट्री सेल्स रिटर्न अकाउंट डेबिट टू एव्हरी पार्टी अशी एंट्री आहे. सो डेबिट साईड ऑफ सेल्स रिटर्न अकाउंट टू सन्ड्रीज, दॅट इज टू ऑल पार्टीज, अँड क्रेडिट साईड ऑफ ऑल पार्टीज अकाउंट्स, these three parties account, credit side of all parties account by sales return on the date of return. Okay, so here in case of Sitaram on June 3rd, by sales return account, now see the problem. His Sitaram's sales return is worth rupees 68,000 and they have charged output CGST and output HGST 6120. Okay, so entry will be sales return account debit, output CGST account debit, output HGST account debit to Sitaram's account. तुम्हाला समजतंय? सेल्स रिटर्न अकाउंट डेबिट टू सीताराम्स अकाउंट हे प्लेन ज्या वेळेला असतं रिटर्न, ज्याच्यात GST वगैरे नसतं त्यावेळेला एंट्री होईल. पण जर जनरल एंट्री करायची झाली तर एंट्री सेल्स रिटर्न अकाउंट डेबिट, आउटपुट CGST अकाउंट डेबिट, आउटपुट HGST अकाउंट डेबिट टू सीताराम्स अकाउंट अशी एंट्री होईल बघा. ओके, सो सेल्स रिटर्न अकाउंटच्या सेल्स रिटर्न अकाउंटच्या डेबिट साईडला, डेबिट साईड ऑफ सेल्स रिटर्न अकाउंट टू सन्ड्रीज ॲज पर सेल्स रिटर्न बुक मीन्स सीताराम इज इन्क्लुडेड हिअर. ओके, सेल्स रिटर्न अकाउंटच्या डेबिट साईडला टू सीताराम. ओके, तसंच आउटपुट CGST अकाउंटच्या डेबिट साईडला तुम्हाला कळतंय ऑन June 3rd टू सीताराम and amount is 6120. आउटपुट HGST अकाउंटच्या डेबिट साईडला June 3rd टू सीताराम अगेन 6120. ओके, अँड या तिन्ही अकाउंटच्या डेबिट साईडला म्हणजेच सीताराम्स अकाउंटच्या क्रेडिट साईडला बाय सेल्स रिटर्न 68,000, बाय आउटपुट CGST आणि बाय आउटपुट HGST अकाउंट 6120. तुम्हाला कळतंय काय झालं आहे? जर्नल एंट्री वाचताना सीतारामच्या अकाउंटच्या क्रेडिट साईडला हे सगळे अकाउंट्स आहेत, याचा अर्थ हे सगळे अकाउंट्स डेबिट टू सीतारामचा अकाउंट अशी जर्नल एंट्री आहे. ओके, फक्त प्रत्येक पार्टीच्या नावाने आपल्याला इथे पोस्ट करता येत नाही, एकत्र सन्ड्रीज म्हणून पोस्ट केलं जातं, बट द मिनिंग इज सेम. सो जर आपण सेल्स रिटर्न बुक प्रिपेअर केलं नसतं तर द एंट्री विल बी सेल्स रिटर्न अकाउंट डेबिट 68,000, आउटपुट CGST अकाउंट डेबिट 6120, output SGST account 6120 to Sitaram's account. Okay, so debit side of all these accounts were written to Sitaram's account. In sundries Sitaram is there. Okay, and credit side of Sitaram by sales return, by output CGST, by output SGST. Understood? Now next entry is of Hind Oil Company Hyderabad, Hind Oil Company Hyderabad, and there is IGST. So entry will be sales return account debit, output IGST account debit to Hind Oil Company. Understood? So entry will be on June 12 by sales return account, and amount is 30,000, and by output IGST account, and the amount is 5,400. Okay, credit side of Hind Oil Company by sales return and by output IGST account. So debit side of sales return to Hind Oil Company, which is included in sundries, and debit side of output IGST account to Hind Oil Company. Okay, so June 12. मला कळतंय ना काय चाललंय ते? हिंद ऑइल कंपनीज अकाउंट, and the amount will be 5,400. Okay, now similarly in the books of Gujarat Gas Company's account, there is a return of 20,000 plus IGST is 3,600. So entry will be sales return account debit 20,000, output IGST account debit 3,600 to Gujarat Gas Company's account. Okay, so credit side of Gujarat Gas Company by sales return and by output IGST, and debit side of these two accounts again to Gujarat Gas Company. Understood? So June 26th by sales return account 20,000, and by output IGST account 3,600. Credit side of Gujarat Gas Company by sales return and by output IGST means debit side of sales return to Gujarat Gas and here to Gujarat Gas. या सन्ड्रीजमध्ये गुजरात गॅस इन्क्लूड आहे. इथे आपल्याला आउटपुट IGST अकाउंटच्या डेबिट साईडला एंट्री करायची आहे ऑन June 26 टू गुजरात गॅस कंपनीज अकाउंट. अमाऊंट इज 3,600. ओके, मी तुम्हाला यासाठी GSTच्या जर्नल एंट्रीज शिकवलेल्या होत्या. त्या जर्नल एंट्रीजवरून आपल्याला हे पोस्टिंग करायचं आहे. अशा पद्धतीने आपल्याला लेजर अकाउंट्स प्रिपेअर करायला लागतात, जर लेजर अकाउंट्स विचारले असतील एक्झाममध्ये तरच. दिस इज द बेसिक इन्फॉर्मेशन ऑफ अकाउंटिंग. सो यू हॅव टू बी एक्सपर्ट इन दिस and solve everything in your notebook. Don't only watch the video, you have to solve everything in your notebook, and if there is any doubt you can ask. Okay, that's all.